Hey guys, this is Adam Kraft, founder of Elevated Craft. I want to give you a close-up view of the cocktail shaker and run through a few of the details. So the shape of it, it's made to fit really comfortably in the hand. You can hold it any way you'd like. It has a nice weight as well. So that's been some feedback we've had from professionals that have been using this, and they really love the weight. Some of the other things, a less obvious detail, is that this will actually hold a full 750 milliliters. So what does that mean? It means that you could throw a bottle of tequila in the freezer and dump the entire thing in here, take it out on a boat with you. It's going to stay cold for the entire day. Same with a bottle of wine. You could dump an entire bottle of wine in here and use it. That's just one of the less obvious uses for this because its primary case, is a cocktail shaker, but it does work as a great storage device as well. So another feature is the threads. So the threads on there are made so that you can just, with a quarter twist, take it off. So it's designed to come off very easily, but also not leak. And that's the same with the top. So that was something that we did a lot of prototyping with. The other thing about this is that the threads are double wall as well. You can kind of see the thickness of material there, same there. So they won't freeze. They won't change temperature to where you can't get it open like a normal cocktail shaker. So that's another added benefit. Let's talk about double wall for a second. So it's double wall vacuum insulated. So that's the same technology that's in your favorite, Yeti, your Hydro Flask, your Corksicle. Same things going on there. So it will perform in the same manner that your Yeti tumbler does. These hold ice forever. This also holds ice forever. That's a great feature. So the other parts are, it has a 6-ounce measuring top. So first of the market to have a 6-ounce measuring top. Why is that important? So that you don't have to deal with these little 2-ounce jiggers or 1 ounce or whatever. And if you're trying to make more than one cocktail, which is what this is great for, traditionally you would have to pour this in a bunch of times. You're creating a mess, and it's just more dishes. So figured incorporate it into the lid, but also make it where you can build an entire cocktail in the top. Or if you're going to fill up the entire bottom and make, say, like 3 or 4 cocktails, you can do that with just a couple pours. Because it's vacuum insulated, almost any time I make a cocktail with this, I'll make more than one because the ice isn't gonna melt, so you don't need to rush and drink it. And if I have friends over, then I can make a bunch, and there's always a couple cocktails left in the shaker. Lastly, packaging. So we're working hard to make the packaging. This is just one of the samples, but it has a nice magnet door on there. What I want it to be is a giftable box. That's the idea. So this is a nice product. It's something that I feel like a lot of people will want to give as a gift, and so the packaging should represent that. So this is one of the samples, but it's not the final design. But stay tuned. Something to look forward to. Anything else? Just let me know in the comments if you have any other questions. And we'll go from there. Thank you for backing this campaign, and really look forward to putting one of the shakers in your hand.